What's up, guys? Back with another video. Today we're gonna be doing a bike check, and yeah. All right, so this is my Hyper. It's got Tony Hawk bars, and we got David over here. And then it's not the greatest bike because it's loose and the headset's loose, but it's still rideable. And here's my scooter with no grips. You know what I'm saying?
Totally on it.
Yeah. It's got, my bike also has pegs on it. 20-inch tires. Yeah. You know what we should do? We should put this bike to the test.
Should we?
Yeah, but let's do it in a different video, though.
We should do it in this video.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I'm trying to do a bike check. You know what I'm saying?
Well, but after you do the bike check.
Yeah, after the bike check.
We have to do this before the storm.
Yo, we gotta do this before it starts pouring.
So we probably have, what, 15, 20 minutes?
Yeah.
Maybe 30.
Look at this stuff.
Get lucky.
It's not the greatest bike because the headset is not doesn't have everything it needs on there. It's brakeless, as you can tell. But yeah, it's getting a little bit rusted. Seat post is rusty. And yeah. Guys, we need the thumbnail. Another thing about this bike is you can pull it back as far as you want, but it's still loose.
What the fuck? Curse words and videos going.
Yeah. So, listen to how this sounds. It's definitely not the greatest. This is the bike I screw around on. As you get, oh my god, do you hear that?
The bike doesn't give up. Are you still recording?
That's not good. The bearings are destroyed. It only has a top bearing, which is not good either. But I just use it as a bike to screw around on. Oh, we got the clip, bro.
She ride on the case. She ride down the stairs. She ride down the stairs on that.
What?
Stairs?
Stairs?
Yeah.
This is sketch. Oh,
Send it for the vid. Send it for the vid.
yeah, bro. Alright, look out. I'm really scared.
I'm backing up. I'm gonna call 911 if you fall.
Alright, I'm just gonna do this.
Oh shit.
What? Yeah, it's starting to rain, guys.
This might be the
Send it. I just gotta send it. I'm on a metal bike, dude.
That's a metal scoop.
Bro, I'm just gonna go down like this.
Actually.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna have to cut this video short because it's raining.
And I have to go home.
And he has to go home. So do I. And it's lightning out. And I don't want to get struck by lightning. And I don't think he does either. So we're just gonna start heading home. But anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And comment down below if you liked the video. And I'm about to get hit by a car, so peace out.